Right, it's me, probably cut this bit out, but here's the garden and house update. Hello, I'm Tatty. I do videos every day on gardening, on golf, and right now I am transforming a neglected rental property into a golf resort. So join me every day for new content and to watch the flooding, which is currently happening. House and garden update. It is the 28th of March, I think, and I just thought I'd do a video. I haven't done one in a while, just to show the progress. Alright, never usually big tippers along this road, but there's one just in time for the video. Alright, so coming along nicely. Each day it looks better and better, obviously. Just the improvements are starting to really take effect now. Before it was removing all of that rubbish and stuff, and lots of rocks in the garden. I'll show you an example. Piles of rocks like this, but we're basically mulching on the top of all this rock. Right, update on the plan, the business plan. So it's golf tours, and the accommodation is there, Thai style house. There's Champ, he'll take a wee walk over. Come on here, stay off the wet paint. Champ, come here, come here. Champ! Anyway, yeah, accommodation. It's coming along nicely. It's not 100% complete yet, but it's coming along very nicely. Not long until it's ready, and the outside is really nearly ready as well. Pretty much everything ready to use, like the wood stain and the fake grass carpets have arrived. We'll see how they look. Okay, so yeah, not much to do with the accommodation, and the garden is coming along nicely as well. Started the sprinklers for the first time today. And right, so these bananas here, let's get to the chase. These bananas are coming down. They are jungle bananas, and they have seeds, black seeds in the fruit, which is not good. I've had them before when I lived in the jungle, and they're edible, but the stones really put you off. You can use them for cooking, I guess. Take all the stones out and fucking cook with it. Sorry for swearing. Okay, right, anyway, so that's going to go. I'll give you an idea of, well, I'll tell you the plan. It's there's going to be a 3-hole golf course. I don't know how to call this. It's going to be a little pitch and putt, right? There'll be a golf green. A golf green down where the sprinkler is just now. Alright. That's going to be a golf green and a putting green. 3 tees, 1 green, maybe 4 tees, 1 green, but 3 would work in nicely for the 18. Yeah, so this will be 1 tee here. We're going to chop down these bananas and do a big pile, and it will compress down and try and, I'm going to put loads of dirt on top of it, and I don't know if that's the right way or not. Maybe it'll collapse in a year or two, I'm not sure. But yeah, so golf tees around the perimeter of the garden. So there'll be another one halfway down that wall, and there'll be another one in the corner down there. So that's 3 shots in, different distances to the green. Alright, that's all work. All of this wood trash is going to be burnt on a bonfire pretty soon when we're allowed to start burning again. Right, so yeah, still removing a lot of rubbish, plastic, clothes, cans of food. Yeah, a lot of rubbish. There's the well all tidied up. There's a water well in there. We're going to make our own pressurized pump. Instead of buying an electrical one, we're going to make one from a YouTube video that I watched. All you need to do is buy PVC piping and a couple of Coke bottles, and the champ has just walked over the green newly painted path. Thank you, boy. You sit down. Alright. So you can see a bit of action. Picking stones. Yep. It's going to have the golf theme, so there's going to be grass, fake grass mats in there with the table and chairs and stuff. Yep. Right. There is going to be where I'm going to have a fire pit. Alright, there's going to be a fire pit there. Use all this stuff that came out. Oh, I'm tripping over sticks, things sticking out the ground which need chopped down, flagged and chopped down. So yeah, we'll use all this, reuse it. Okay, repurpose it. That's the plan. We have a variety of fruit trees. We have mango trees. We have Thai rose apple tree. We have longan tree. I think that's another longan tree. Those